Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's YouTube channel Wanderam 2.0. Today is our last day in Vrindavan, and many people suggested we have to visit Vaishnavi Devi and Lotus Temple. Unfortunately, we arrived too early for Lotus Temple, but we had a wonderful darshan at Vaishnavi Devi. Many people tie bangles here as a symbol of their belief and devotion. While performing pradakshina around Vaishnavi Devi, you can see all the idols of the gods. We also have an art gallery where you can see pictures of the temples from its construction period. We had to vacate our current stay as we extended an extra day. Interestingly, someone mentioned that Hema Malini's home is adjacent to the place where we just stayed. We are shifting the luggage slowly because the room is very nearby. This is a new stay for the last day. The room is spacious and cost us 1100 rupees. It has a king size bed and an extra mattress. The best part is a private balcony which adds to the comfort. On the way to Nidhivan, you will pass by many temples and hear numerous bhajans. If you visit this area, you can also explore Yamuna Ghat and Banki Bihari temple. This is Nidhivan, the sacred place where Radha and Krishna are believed to have performed Rasa Leela. The area is filled with numerous ancient tulsi trees. If you choose the free darshan, you will be guided along a fenced path, but you can still see the forest up close. Alternatively, you can hire a guide for 150 rupees per person who will take you inside the forest for more intimate experience. People also say that Radha and Krishna still perform Rasa here at night, and those who have attempted to witness it did not survive. During the Nidhivan darshan, you can even see the burial spots of those individuals. After visiting Nidhivan, we plan to walk to Yamuna Ghat. On the way, we bought clothes and other essentials for our laddu. Yamuna Ghat is one of those places where you can truly find peace. I personally love sitting here for long hours, soaking in the serenity. There are several boats available at Yamuna Ghat and they charge 150 per person for a 15-minute ride on the Yamuna river.
We have been to Nidhivanam and then immediately to Yamuna Ghat because we do not want to visit any temples because it is too crowded and one cannot even enter the temples since it is Sunday maybe.
Time to bid farewell to Vrindavan and go back to home. We called the same driver who dropped us in Vrindavan.
Today is the 5th day that we have finished in Vrindavan and we are now going to Delhi, and from Terminal D we have to travel to Mumbai to Bangalore because the direct flights to Bangalore is costing us too much. So we have decided to go on connecting flights. So but the major problem today is that we have Laddu Gopal with us and we have somehow packed him in one of the suitcases. We are unsure if that is allowed, and that's why we are going a bit early so that everything will go smooth. And the other worst part is that we are carrying peacock feathers with us, and that is basically immoral, and we might not be able to, especially the Delhi security police might not allow us. And also we have the clothes of Laddu Gopal ji. It has all stones on it, and the three things, if we are good to go and we are safe. We were unable to sleep from last night and we were a bit tensed. We have been trying to call Air India, but nobody are picking the call. They didn't give proper numbers, and I have even mailed. I didn't get any response back. Let's see what will happen. And personally, I don't feel like leaving Vrindavan. There is some sort of attraction here, and I feel like staying some more days, maybe or 10 or 20 days more peacefully. Not anywhere, but especially in Vrindavan, just to feel the vibes of Lord Shri Krishna. Maybe sooner or later I'll come once again, stay here for longer time alone. आपका कौन सा गाड़ी है प्रतीक जी? बोला ना. So actually we wanted to book a car and I got his reference from one of my friend. So I called him. He gave us two options. One is Aura. पहला वाला क्या है? Aura के अलावा ऑप्शन नहीं. ऑप्शन क्या था हमारे लिए? आपने. So he gave some other option. Desire, I guess. Desire or Aura. And we have quickly checked the boot space difference for both of it, and we found Aura has a more boot space, so we booked it because we have lot of luggage with us, because we are going to stay for more than 10 days here. But in the airport we were shocked. We opened the dicky and it is in the dicky more than half of the boot space. Sorry, in the boot space more than half iska cylinder. He has a cylinder, CNG cylinder inside it, and trust me, this is how we are carrying our luggage.
But ये आपका mistake.
He didn't tell that.
आपको बताना चाहिए.
हाँ, मुझे कैसे पता वो सिलेंडर होगा बूट स्पेस में.
इधर तो कॉमन सी चीज है.
It is common in Delhi that most of the vehicles will have the CNG, gas supported vehicles. But how do we know? We don't have a common sense, no. So we need to ask the driver whether your gaadi is petrol, diesel or gas also. Then book it off. So don't check the boot space. Check the kind of vehicle.
ये हो गया तो ठीक है.
Bye. Radhe Radhe.
Although we were initially concerned about how Laddu Gopal would be checked in for the flight, by God's grace everything went smoothly. However, the flight was delayed by 2.5 hours in Delhi. We reached Mumbai by 7:30 and the Air India crew informed us that a connecting flight had already departed. Along with 7 other passengers, we fought for our justice, but all they did was book us on the next flight, which was at 4 a.m. I don't know why Air India has taken Vistara. First of all, I don't like any flights apart from Vistara, and they have taken it away. And we have traveled in Vistara though today. So we supposed to come from Delhi to Mumbai. It's a connecting flight, and to Bangalore. And trust me, and it got delayed in Delhi, and by the time we reached to Mumbai, they said our connecting flight went, and what they are telling is you have to wait till morning 4 o'clock and get the new flight. That's the early flight they can arrange. And they gave us two offers. One is samosa in airport, and after that 12 o'clock or after 10 o'clock they'll give us a lounge access, and we have to take our baggage. Till now the flight people are still it's 8:30 and we got done at 7:30 here. People are still searching for their bags. We don't know when we will get our bags. We have to get the bags, re-check in the morning and go. And I have actually paid extra money for my window seats, and they've taken my window seats also away, and we three have to sit in a different places. And the samosa is the worst thing. I don't know how to time pass here also, and what they are suggesting us to go check airport. Enjoy it since. One samosa. Poor people. We are poor people.
We are traveling from 7 o'clock in the morning. Understand my situation. After so much of fighting, instead of samosa, we got some idli, pav bhaji, and dosa, and some 4 water bottles.
Look at my sister and auntie. So they were so excited about their first flight journey. I don't think they will be eager to fly again after this experience.
Finally, we are back, and with Aunt Laddu, Krishna is also safe.
I'm so tired from this long vacation and need to rest for a while. I hope you liked hearing about my family trip. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Radhe Radhe.